Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, wherever you are, my God bless you. Today I have some work to do here. And actually, guys, it's so late here, and it's time so fixed. So I want to take the wheelbarrow. The spade is there, and since I was working, I left the wheelbarrow. Imagine over there. So I supposed to take you to my project, and today I wanna do some tire cleaning on my project. So both where my mason who have been working. So I supposed to go there with my mom. So right now, guys, this is my house. Wow, this is my gumboard here. Wow, so and then I shall come. So let me go and take you around. So today we wanna work with my African mom. So she doesn't have any clue. So through your support by watching my videos, and in other way, I fixed the tank. This is the gutters here. The tank is over there. At least, guy, when I wake up in the morning like this, I see the tank. Serious, I see the tank just over here. So, guys, I'm feel so happy. And also I harvest water, you can see all the way. So we wait the rain to be rain, and then when this water will be full, the water will be running to the tap there. So let me take you around. Chibafu ni gochiri. Say hello, Jabo.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Chibafu ni gochiri.
Eh.
Matukia ukoro safi. Right. Wow, so I'm asking my mom, did the bathroom open? Said, yeah, one bathroom have been open and the rest have some material, guys. Wow, so my baby just over here, and after this I would head to Ayamarwa's Villa Menjelin, because we had some short of time to travel, maybe from one village to another, so to see what is going on. Wow, guys, welcome to my project again. So I supposed to work on tiles. Right now the structure of the modern toilet, you can see it's purely organized. And guys, think, what about my mom dream house? If I make the toilet like this, I can build my mama dream house slowly, guys. Keep it look, move with me up to my project here. So when I finish tiling and everything, I'll just come out and create the walkway from this side here. Actually, I'll start creating a walkway from here, where you can maybe pass this way, going this way, and then that way. So let's see. Wow, guys, look, the maze is coming big. It's coming like crazy. Mature enough, look. So that's the maze have been. So since I was working here, it's around 3 days, and right now we came with my mom on this washroom. Mama, you know what? Leo tutakufanya usafi kwa bafu yako. So in case imebaki tu hizo nini, juu tukiacha nini vigai vitakauke nani virasti. Yaani ulete besheni na deki sitaba. Uone ile deki nyingine nyeusi. Lete
Ile nyetu.
na maji
Go.
na mahundo. Okay, leta besheni. So guys, I'm trying to tell my mom today we're supposed to clean these tiles here, guys. You know what I mean? Oh, right. So this one here, you can select this mark. So even the tiles, they want to be very clean. So the work is to be, when my mason became, is to finish this place, and so on. So Right now I wanna say like 90% we done to my mom washroom. So remaining with some few places to go, like this one here. You can see from here going around up this way, and then every joint we fixed with grout, pure white grout. So because these tiles are white, and also even here, so remaining with some few you can see there. So on Saturday, guys, I'll work inside here. I'll make sure that 100% I finish my mom washroom. Trust me, my mom is just over there. So today it's a cleaning day. At the same time, we take this one outside. It's a rubbish. So this one here, we take them outside. And also we make cleanness here, you know. Well, this water here, this water. So I want to take this rubbish outside. And sometime when I was working, this place would be as my store. I kept the instrument for the mason and all stuff. And actually, guys, this is my washroom. Also on Saturday, I will fix the tiles down, as you can see, down, and also that way. So it have the same with my mom, but my mom I've already fixed on right now. So my mom, the only things that are remaining is like this one going around, but this one here on the floor. So when I start fixing the tiles on the next toilet, I will start on the first. I will start on the floor. It depends, maybe, guys. I will start on the floor or on the wall. So for today, let's see. That one's yes. Today, just clean up. So guys, that's my mom cleaning. Yes. Yes, mom. You must maintain it on your washroom, thorough cleaning, man. Yes. Oh guys, that is my mom. And in case you're new on today's videos, actually that's my mom. So most of the time I just learn something new from my mom, how maybe to dig, how to cook. Mama taught me, guys. So for now, he just make the cleanness inside here. Yeah. So I realized when I left this, maybe it end up to maybe finishing everything. It wanna maybe some cement will be concrete here. Yes, like that place. I will see my mom cleaning there. Nice. So for my washroom, it's okay because we have something inside there. So after maybe cleaning my mom's washroom, you can see like this one here. Look like this one, guys. So mama, it's remaining pure white.
Brasi toilet.
Eh?
Brasi.
Try me on it. So remaining pure white. When you do the brush, so we're supposed to rub it with a brush. I must do it in the quip.
And Rata kare kastirwa ya no nyora kasira to itaiti.
Yes, ma'am. So at least, ma'am, like this one here.
And Rata kare
you see, like this one, guy, supposed to remove every mark here. And then there's stuff for cleaning the tiles. There's some stuff looking like a liquid. When everything have been finished up, man, I will purchase it. Trust me. Unajisikiaje kuwa na choo classic?
Vizuri.
Yes, guys. I'm asking my mama, how do you feel to have a modern classic washroom? Wanna come up. Oh, guys. So today, guys, I'm working with my mom here in African Kenya. So that's my biological mother, guys. Clean over there, so it's supposed to clean this stuff here. You can see, guys. At least, guys, I clean to look clean. See, imagine. Thank you, mom. Okay, guys. Mom is cleaning here. When I TV kuro. Yes. Suppose clean here. So at least it look white. Sikuna omo. Ete omo ndo mtafage vitoke. Sasa baada tudeki ya kwanza.
Kama ni tumekanga kikinga kwa
wewe hata omo kadogo tudeki no tukituru. Yeah. So today, guys, it's thorough cleaning. At the same time, guys, I'm cleaning on the corner here. Over here, guys. You see? Always. Today, it's a day of cleaning with my African mom over here. Look what my mom was doing, guys. Amazing job. Okay, ma'am. Let me first. Wow. So this first cleaning, we remove the dust, and the next we go for the second trip or second round with some liquid, or with this soap here. We soak in water and then it creates a scum. We call it a scum or what? And then we clean now. You know, guys, I realized right now, because the tiles was dating, so that like crazy, man. Yes. When I add that liquid, it's gonna be maybe clean up. So there is some liquid of tiles. When you add, it's brought clean. Yes, guys. So just drop the sweet comment on today's videos. Are very special, and you meet for the rest of the videos where we're supposed to head to, guys. But for now, enjoy my vlog from home until the end. Okay, mama, let me try it. Simama hapa. Kile kamera.
Ndio kwanza venta manchira.
Eh. Oh. You see guys, now it's clean. Hata hicho kitu mama rafa uchina kuisi.
Tadicho kyo mare. Isiri hiti hana. Uraja ureta.
And see. Oh guys. Well guys, so let me go outside. Is the water here. And thought that's and I'm working with my prince queen, my sister here. Unaweza mwaga nje? This is my sister. Okay, mwaga hapa. Yes, wow. Chota yale mengine ulete. So she was very enjoyable when my mom working. Hayo ni mengi, rudisha kidogo. Tena. Hayo yako sawa, leta tu. Yes, we go for the next 3. Totora mwe homo sasa nkuruka, totora mwe dust. Homo. Useke wakarusha, totore homo hansi tore sugure ni brush. Yo bose buri.
Diga.
Eh. So be careful to kuraro suguro racho to tamo moto hansi. I'm telling my mom when putting the yes, like that, ma'am. Put another one here. Yes. Guys, for me I'm just working with my mom here. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, like that. I'm not talking water no issue. Yeah, ma'am. Come this way.
No, I'm bang.
Mama, it's slippery. So for sure, be careful. So I'm telling my mom, the moment when we launch this washroom to be originally used, you must be very careful, mom, with the soap. Where my kidney? I'm telling my mama to be very careful. Here. Up, mama. Like this. People can see me. Asonga hand. Ringo nyuma kabisa hiyo. Nasonga ndani. Kile kigai kiko wapi? Right guys, my mom should be my cameraman for today. These are some challenges that I passed here, guys. Just working, guys. Like that. Oh. Vuta maji kwenda nyuma. Yes. I want to add one more. Mama, here you must be very careful. Yani hapo wewe makini. You might fall down. You will fall down. Okay, take that one. Wow, guys, still kidding, Rakan. Wow. Kuma po kaya hands. Kasi sa hands. Kuma po ko hands. Yo. What a day. Hey, hey. Guys, sorry. My mom, she doesn't know how to hold the camera. Sometimes she wanna record me on my leg or on my foot like this. But sorry, I wanna understand her. So, mom, first thing, mwaga maji. Ndio ngoja toa hiyo dust. Toka nje. Okay. Mama, first thing you do, because this is the soap, you do water like this. You see? Like that way. So the water will be going inside there. Let me bring once, and then you repeat it. Wow, do like this. Roma tarariba.
Auski.
Wow, one more. And then my mom, she can be clean by using Tayan. Be careful. Today, guys, it's a cleaning day. Amanti ka kyo makatamiri ho. Man. Yes, guys. So oh guys, so right now I'm going back home. I'm going home back. I'm heading this way. Imagine. So guys, today I want to finish up setting of the tiles. I'll finish it up. Maybe I will shall sit for the next 30 minutes. Wow.